Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to talk a bit more about syllables. And in fact, what I'm going to focus on today is how you can divide syllables. And today we're going to talk about something called VCCV words. What that stands for is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel words. And it sounds really funky, but once I show you, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So when we want to divide a word into syllables, the first rule is if it is a word with a vowel, two consonants and a vowel, or VCCV, you divide between the two consonants. So here's an example: bandit. I'm going to divide between the N and the D. Reptile. I'm going to divide between the P and the T. Hornet. I'm going to divide between the R and the N. So these VCCV words are actually divided into a couple groups. And there's a lot more we can talk about with this, but because we're learning at home right now, I'm going to kind of simplify it for you. The first group is what we call rabbit words. Okay, rabbit words are words that have the same consonant in the middle of the word or between the syllables, if it's a longer word. So you're going to divide between two of the same consonants. So for example, happen, pillow, coffee, valley, they all have the same two letters, two consonants in the middle of the words between the syllables. So we're just going to chop it in half. Sometimes we call that chop suey. Okay, second group is monkey words. We might call them monkey words. And basically what they are is we're going to divide between two consonants that are different. So for example, rescue. These are two different letters here, but we're going to just divide between the consonants. Candy, hornet. Okay, so the idea with these VCCV words is you're going to divide between the consonants, whether the consonants are the same or they are different. So I'm going to talk about this slide here, but then you're going to submit your answers in a quiz. So it's how would you divide these words? So you're going to be asked to share your answers in a quiz right after the slideshow. Okay, so we have these words. Billow. Billow means to kind of balloon out, like, or to kind of, like if I'm wearing a blouse and the wind comes around and kind of like blows it to the side and kind of makes it a little bit bigger, it billows. Or you could say like the sail of a ship, it billows out when the wind hits it. Yellow, raccoon, we know those words. Tablet. Mildew is when something gets wet and then it starts to kind of get moldy and green and yicky. Cartoon. Ordain means to order something or to say something's going to happen. Zombie, you guys know that one. And a basket. Okay, so those are the words that I'm going to have you guys work on, and I hope you guys have fun submitting your answers.